Did you know that over 70% of engine failures stem from everyday habits you might be doing right this second, without a clue? Yeah, that it's just getting old excuse? It's a myth peddled by mechanics who love big repair bills. The truth is, your engine can roar like it did on day one, even after 200,000 miles, if you stop the silent saboteurs and start a few game-changing routines. In this video, we're unpacking the top 15 ways to bulletproof your engine, expose the deadliest drive time killer lurking in your routine, and hand you the keys to smoother rides, killer fuel efficiency, and zero surprise breakdowns. Buckle up, your car is about to thank you. Number 15, ditch the long idle warm-up. It's roasting your engine alive. Remember when Grandpa swore by letting the car hum in the driveway for ages? Total relic. Today's engines are precision beasts. They crave motion, not stagnation. Idling too long floods your cylinders with unburned fuel, stripping away that vital oil layer like acid rain on paint. It's a slow poison, accelerating wear and guzzling gas while you sip your coffee. Instead, fire her up, count to 30, and ease into drive. Let the road do the warming. Oil flows, parts sink, and boom, you're saving hundreds on fuel and fixes. Imagine pulling away with that fresh-off-the-line snap. No more sluggish starts. But if idling's bad, wait till you hear the weekly ritual that's grinding your internals to dust. Stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button now if you're tired of your car feeling tired. We drop these lifesavers weekly. All right, 14. Stick to oil changes like your engine's life depends on it, because it does. That one more month mindset, it's a trap. Oil isn't eternal. It morphs from protector to sludge, choking valves and bearings like tar and lungs. Cousin Eddie's "it's still golden" advice? Ignore it, he's the guy with the junkyard fleet. Fresh synthetic every 5 to 7K miles sweeps away debris, keeps friction low, and lets your motor purr. Skip it, and you're flirting with seized pistons and a tow truck tango. Think of it as your engine spa day, emerge revitalized, efficient, and ready to conquer commutes. And speaking of hidden heroes, there's a dirt-cheap sensor tweak that could supercharge your throttle response overnight. 13. Give your mass airflow sensor a spa treatment. It'll breathe life back into your ride. Tucked away like a shy genius, this little guy meters air for perfect fuel mixes. But grime builds up fast. Dust, oil mist, pollen. It's like fogging up binoculars mid-hunt. Result? Stuttering acceleration, thirsty MPGs, and an engine that idles like it's got the hiccups. Most folks blame age, but nah, grab a $10 cleaner spray, unplug, spritz gently, and let dry. Do it every 10K and feel the surge. Crisp power, steady hum, like your car just chugged an energy shot. Fresh air in means fire out. Now pair that with the filter swap, that's basically free horsepower. 12. Swap that air filter before your engine chokes on the world. Picture sprinting with a mask over your face. That's your motor with a filthy filter. Bugs, dirt, leaves, they pile on, starving airflow and forcing incomplete burns. You get laggy pulls, wheezing exhaust, and wallet-draining inefficiency. But flip the script. New filter in under 5 minutes, cheaper than lunch, and suddenly, zippier launches, silkier shifts, longer life. It's the low-hanging fruit of maintenance. Ignore it and you're inviting early retirement for your pistons. Now, shift gears to the fluid that's your engine's shield against apocalypse. 11. Refresh your coolant flush. Don't let it turn toxic. That vibrant elixir in your radiator, it's no set it and forget it. Time corrodes it into gritty acid, etching metal, clogging passages, and priming for overheat meltdowns. One scorching jam session and poof, warped heads, blown gaskets, $1,000 nightmares. Flush every 2 years. Drain, rinse with distilled, refill fresh. DIY in an afternoon and reap cooler runs, stable temps, rust-free bliss. Your water pump high-fives you, your gauge stays chill. But if coolant is your guard, the thermostat is the gatekeeper. Mess it up and hell breaks loose. 10. Test and replace your thermostat, the $10 sentinel standing between you and Steam City. This unassuming valve orchestrates coolant flow. Stuck closed, it traps heat like a pressure cooker. Minutes later, boiling over, warped alloys, epic fails. Stuck open, eternal cold starts, guzzled gas, frosty commutes. Signs scream, wonky gauges, weak heat, mystery idles. Swap proactively at 60K, basic tools, zero drama, and sleep easy knowing overheat ambushes are off the menu. It's insurance against the breakdown blues. Up next, the oil upgrade that's like rocket fuel for reliability. 9. Go full synthetic oil. Elevate your engine from survivor to superstar. Conventional stuff? It's basic survival rations. Synthetic? Gourmet fuel that laughs at heat, flows like silken cold, and banishes sludge for good. Reduced friction means whisper-quiet operation, extended intervals, and an engine that climbs grades without complaint.
Sure, a tad pricier up front, but the payback? Fewer shops, better mileage, unshakable confidence. Check your manual, make the switch, your ride evolves overnight. And while fluids flow, don't neglect the one keeping gears in harmony. 8. Transmission fluid flush. Keep shifts buttery or face the grind. This unsung hero lubricates, cools, cleans, but neglect turns it bitter, causing slips, shudders, burnt smells. Traffic warriors, towers, you're at risk. Flush every 40K. Out with the old grit, in with the new glide. DIY or pro, it's a transmission lifeline. Smoother drives, no rebellions. Ignore, and rebuilds beckon. Now, belt up for the strap that's powering your essentials. 7. Inspect and replace your serpentine belt. Snap-proof your setup. This Wrigley Rookhorse drives alternator, steering, pump, cracks or squeals signal doom. Fail mid-drive, dead battery, no AC, overheat cascade. Check for wear every oil change. Swap at 70K. Cheap fix, massive piece. Your commute stays seamless. But hey, cool the macho vibes, your engine's not a stunt double. 6. Ease off the needless revs, treat your motor like a partner, not a prop. That idle roar for show? It's torture. Cold oil means metal on metal mayhem, wasted fuel, stressed mounts. Warm gradually, rev purposefully, merges only. Reward? Enduring power, quiet confidence. No more showboating breakdowns. If revs reveal roughness, sparks might be fading. 5. Fresh spark plugs, ignite perfection, or limp along. These pint-sized igniters time explosions flawlessly. Fouled ones spark misfires, hesitations, converter carnage. No light, still lurking. Replace every 30K, affordable zap back to vitality. Smoother everything. But air's the breath, don't let filters foul it twice. Wait, we hit air filters earlier. Nah, that's basics. Now amplify with intake detox. 4. Deep clean your intake system. Unclog the carbon curse. Direct injection demons build up strangles valves, manifolds, thieving torque and efficiency. Spray cleaners via throttle, flush the filth. Every 25K, reclaim lost horses, idle zen, MPG magic. Underrated revival. Pedal habits next. Flooring's folly. 3. Moderate the mash. Accelerate smart, not savage. Stomping summons strain, overfuel, heat spikes, component fatigue. Cold starts? Catastrophic. Ease in for control, economy, longevity. Turbos especially, cooldowns mandatory. Respect yields rewards, abuse regrets. Idle glitches? Reset awaits. 2. Throttle body reset and clean, reboot for rhythm. Battery swaps scramble calibration, bouncy RPMs, stalls, simple key pedal dance recalibrates, spray clean valves, instant harmony, responsive pep. Engine exhales gratitude. Crown jewel? Full system purge. 1. Ultimate intake manifold scrub. Banish buildup for rebirth. Carbon coats choke performance stealthily. Professional foam or walnut blast erases it, restoring roar, efficiency, and youth. Every 50K, transformative. Your engine awakens. There it is. 15 powerhouse moves to outlast, outrun, and outsmart engine woes. Tiny tweaks, titan results. Drop a like if this sparked action, subscribe for more Under the Hood Gold, and tap that next video popping up. It's your ticket to transmission triumphs. See you there.